How to archive an unarchived Instagram post. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Instagram on your device. Now tap on the profile at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the post you want to archive. Now tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now simply tap on archive. Now to unarchive it, simply tap on the profile at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now simply tap on archive. Now tap on post archive. Now select post. Now tap on the post. Tap on three dots. Now simply tap on show on profile. Again confirm it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.